5 apps you can build with AI in one weekend. And you don't need any coding experience. App number 1. A personal finance tracker. Tell your AI tool, build me a dashboard that tracks my income, expenses, and savings goals. It generates the full interface, connects to a database, and handles the math. Done in under an hour. App number 2. A recipe generator from your fridge photos. Upload a photo of what's in your fridge, and AI suggests recipes. It uses image recognition and a recipe database. You just describe the idea. App number 3. A quiz game. Perfect for teachers or content creators. AI builds the entire game logic, scoring system, and results page from a single prompt. App number 4. A portfolio website. Designers, writers, photographers. Describe your style, paste in your work, and AI generates a clean, responsive site ready to deploy. App number 5. A booking system. For freelancers, consultants, or small businesses. Calendar integration, email confirmations, payment processing. All built by AI. All in one weekend. The barrier to building software is gone. The only question is, what will you build first? More at Indove Coding.